Go. Start.
Fire.
Go, move. Next, ready? Go, Jude. Hindi lang. Yung wala ng pin, assuming na lang. Okay? Pag may pin, tanggalin pa rin ha. Ready? Ayaw mo magpahabol sa sagutin na ha. Start! Fire! Hold the pin. Hey! Aim at the base of the fire. Hindi sa apoy kayo nakaputok. Doon sa base. Kung saan ang nagaling yung apoy. That's the base of the fire. Next. Ready. Start!
Fire! Pull the pin!
Yes!
Aim the nozzle at the bottom of the fire!
Fire! Move!
Hit the lever! Swing side to side! Go, good lang!
Fire
Back
out!
up!
Backing up!
Wala na yan. Itong isa na lang ito. Dito. Go.
Fire! Hold the pin! Yes! Aim the nozzle to the base of the fire! Squeeze the lever!
Squeeze. Lapit mo. Lapit. Ang lalim mo pa.
Squeeze!